Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we're going to be assembling this Moskvitch car, Soviet car, family car from the late 60s, early 70s, I believe. Anyways, so this is the one with the hubcaps available as its version, but this is the one without hubcaps. So the assembly process is fairly simple for this. Just take the two halves of this car, put a little glue there, and just, like I said, take the two halves of this car, place it together. Make sure that it's going down in the correct way, all right? And then after that, put some glue there and there. Then you can take the full tire, just put it there, and then the tire that's not full, has like a portion of it cut out, put it in the back. And then do this. So we are done the gluing, just need to place the items now. Put that tire like that. This tire like that. Probably one of the easiest assemblies from Miniature Tanks Company. These cars are available at miniaturetanks.com.